Hi everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to talk about the situation in São Paulo, and we're going to use the situation to discuss the third conditional. So let's start. What's the situation? So if you haven't looked at the news or watched the news, then you might not be aware, but there is a strike going on in São Paulo. A strike is a greve. And normally we would say someone goes on strike. In this situation, the truck drivers went on strike, right? They're fazendo greve. Greve. The reason for that is because there was an increase in gas prices. You can also say that the gas prices went up. And now that's very unaffordable to drive maybe food products or to transport goods from one area to another. So you can say the price went up. This is probably a little bit more common than increase. Increase is a little bit more formal. So I say, oh, my temperature went up. I have a fever. Or the gas price went up. As a result, the gas stations have run out of fuel or run out of gas. To run out is a phrasal verb that means acabar, right? So the gas stations ran out of gas in São Paulo, so people can't fill up their tanks. To fill up their tanks means abastecer. You can also use run out for many things in life. For example, we ran out of milk yesterday, and so now I need to go to the grocery store. All right, so there are the three words we're going to be using. Fazer greve, well, this little expression, fazer greve, run out, to run out of something, and go up, right? The prices go up or went up. Now, in Portuguese, a lot of times you would use the third conditional, and it's actually the exact same in English, to describe what would have happened if something else hadn't occurred. And I'm aware this is really complicated to fathom if you haven't used this form in English before, but it's actually very, very similar to Portuguese. Se eu não tivesse comido muito, eu não teria dor de barriga agora, por exemplo. Ou se eu tivesse estudado português na escola, eu falaria melhor agora. Or teria ido para Portugal em 2011, sabe? Então, é a mesma coisa in inglês. If I had eaten more chocolate yesterday, I would have been happier. I probably wouldn't be happy today though, right? Se eu tivesse comido mais chocolate ontem, eu teria sido mais feliz ontem, mas eu não seria feliz hoje. Entendeu? É igualzinho em português e também em inglês. So, if the gas prices hadn't gone up, the truck drivers wouldn't have gone on strike, right? So use the same form, think about it, right? So this is the third conditional. If the truck drivers hadn't gone on strike, the gas stations would still have gas. If the gas stations hadn't run out of gas, the price for Uber wouldn't be so high. If the police hadn't blocked the highway near my house, I wouldn't have been late for my dentist appointment yesterday. If this strike hadn't occurred, my friend would have visited her grandma this weekend, okay? Or she would be visiting her grandma this weekend, right? So that in that case, you can actually use the present. She would visit her grandma this weekend. Ela ia visitar sua avó esse fim de semana, or she would have visited. Ela teria visitado sua avó esse fim de semana. I think that's it for today. It was a little bit of a longer discussion. I'm not going to give my opinion on this. It's a little bit of a crazy situation here in Sao Paulo right now. I'm sure you know about it. I'm sure you're watching it on the news. I think it's definitely a very interesting time to be in Brazil, and I can't wait to see what happens as a result of everything that's going on in the city. So if you would like to, feel free to write some conditional sentences down below. Maybe if this event affected you, or for example, if you want to practice some other sentences using the third conditional, feel free to write them below and I will correct them for you. Until next time, bye!